just want to give a quick tutorial on moving averages since I've been getting a few questions. So if I add a simple moving average to my chart, you'll see here there's a purple line which is the 10 simple moving average, sometimes referred to as the 10 period or 10 simple. And the way this line is calculated, if we take the last point on the line as an example, you simply take the 10 preceding candles closing prices, add all of them together and divide it by 10, and that'll give you this point on the graph. And if we go back to the previous point, to the next point on the line, you do the exact same thing, add the 10 preceding candles closing prices and divide them by 10. Now there's a different type of moving average. So if I add a EMA to the chart, you'll notice there's this pinkish line, which is again the 10 period, but in this case not an SMA, it's an EMA, which stands for exponential moving average. It's almost the same thing, the only difference is that more recent candles have slightly more weight on the calculation. So you'll notice here that they move apart slightly, and that's basically because there's a couple of big candles here and here, and because they're more recent than the smaller candles back here, it pulls the price up slightly quicker than the simple moving average would. But for all intents and purposes, they're going to give you the same number with a very small margin of error. So pick one and stick with it is the main thing. Now if I add another moving average, this is again a simple moving average, but it's the 30 period. So the exact same calculation as the 10, only this time you need to take 30 candles closing prices and divide them by 30. What the different moving averages tell you is just the overall trend. So the lower number moving averages are closer to the price and will fluctuate more, where the higher moving averages will be slightly further away from the price, but give you a better indication of the overall trend. Hope that helps clear things up for a few people, and I'll see you next time.